is a video on making Carlo's inspired pepperoni cheese breadsticks. And I'm actually starting with what looks like the Carlo style pizza in a rectangular pan, and we're going to line this stuff up and show you how we do it. Actually, it's the first time we've done it. All right, so I just wanted to show what we're doing here. We laid out all the dough, ran 4 rows of the pepperoni, quite a bit of pepperoni, you can see, like that. And then I'm using provolone mozzarella blend. These are all the same ingredients we've been using for the Carlo's pizza. And then I'll finish this one up, and then we'll fold over the dough to seal it up like a tube. And do a few more things before it's ready. I'll put the recipe in the description as well. All right, now we got it all rolled up. I just kind of did alternating pinching of the thing as I kind of pinched it together on the bottom, and then I kind of did a quick little roll with it to flatten it out and just put the pinch side down. Now I'm gonna poke it. They say to poke it so it doesn't explode, I guess, when you cook it. And then I'll hit it with some oil. And then I have a topping of melted butter, seasonings, and we'll put that on top before we cook it. Next. There we go. Got it all ready, getting ready to bake it at 450. Sherry's over here making chicken and dumplings on our cold winter day here. I did cook it a little bit longer, try to get it a little bit crispier.
I wonder if you should.
Well, and it turned out really good. It's definitely a nice little pizza snack.